19 Cute things girls do that guys love. In general, girls do not need to make a great effort to impress a man. In most cases, they don't even have to try. Men are visual creatures who seek out things that appeal to their senses. It turns out that there are a lot of cute things that guys like that girls do, and knowing about them can help you improve your relationship, so make sure to pay close attention. Welcome to a new video from the Psychology Wisdom YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos and comment down below "I subscribed" so we can welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Her natural look. Girls have a slight obsession with makeup and will frequently refuse to leave the house without it. But women have no idea that men find their natural look to be cute and even irresistible. While guys enjoy it when a girl dresses up and looks gorgeous, they appreciate it much more when she doesn't wear any makeup and appears natural and at ease in his presence. It demonstrates her comfort and confidence. Number 2. When she calls his name. Guys love it when a girl shouts a guy's name in the bedroom or whispers it naughtily when out in public. Even something as basic as her shouting his name when she needs help or a simple greeting makes him secretly giddy inside. Number 3. Wearing his clothes. Guys absolutely adore when their girlfriends put on their shirts and t-shirts. They not only look adorable, but they also appear incredibly hot in their oversized clothes. There's a sense of safety and security whenever a guy finds his girlfriend lounging around in his clothes. It suggests they're both at ease in each other's presence. Number 4. Wearing glasses. When a girl wears glasses, most guys think it's cute. It's a little sexy too. Perhaps there is something good to be said for dressing like a nerd. Maybe it's because it evokes teacher fantasies. It works, whatever it is. Number 5. The bedhead. There's something incredibly cute and alluring about a girl who can look good with bedhead. She's in her most natural and raw state. She is really vulnerable, but she pulls it off. This is absolutely irresistible to the majority of men. Number 6. Biting her lips. Lip biting has been around for a long time, and there's something about it that attracts men's attention. However, if a girl has the unintentional habit of biting her lips, it adds to her personality and makes her guy fall in love with her all over again. Number 7. Laughing. A free-spirited laugh that lights up your face is contagious, and guys find it irresistible when girls have an honest laugh. Even a chuckle might help things go smoothly. It not only relaxes guys, but it also makes them more attracted to girls, especially if they're laughing at their jokes. Number 8. Playing with her hair. In and of itself, a girl's hair is a source of attractiveness. Playing with it adds to that, and whether it's deliberate or not, guys enjoy seeing a girl play with her hair. There's something about messing with hair that attracts guys in a wonderful way. They take it as a sign of interest as well. Maybe that's the case. Whether she's twirling her hair or tucking it behind her ears, she's not only cute but also elegant and feminine. Number 9. Reaching for something. Girls sometimes stand on their toes in order to reach something high up. This is something that all men find attractive, and they can't get enough of it. Guys, whether they're in a store looking for something or at a guy's house trying to reach the highest shelf of his cupboard, will take their time before providing help since they're enjoying the view. Number 10. Wearing a baseball cap forwards. Guys find it cute whenever they see a girl wearing a baseball hat forwards. Now, I'm not referring to when a girl takes a guy's cap off for a goofy selfie. I'm referring to when a girl purchases her own hats and appropriately wears them. She may appear awkward, but that's probably part of what makes her so adorable. Number 11. The way she gets scared. Sometimes girls' fears are rational, and sometimes they're not. But guys are fascinated that someone can be so strong when it comes to the big things in life. and so scared when it comes to the little things like spiders and basically anything that's creepy and crawly. Having said that, they're more than willing to kill a spider for a girl or walk her to the car at night when she doesn't want to walk alone. Guys like when a girl is afraid sometimes because it allows them to step up and be their protector. Number 12. Video games and sports. Guys love it when they find girls who have similar interests, especially fun-loving and adventurous ones. Girls who are interested in sports and video games drive men crazy. Of course, not all girls are into that, but when they join in and show support, guys find it adorable. Number 13. Cooking. Guys love it when women attempt to cook and express their love in this way. Even if they aren't the best cooks on the planet, they make an attempt to prepare a meal. And while their efforts may not always yield the desired results, their efforts are nonetheless appreciated. Number 14. Pleading eyes. This is one of the cutest things girls can do to make men appreciate and love them even more. Most guys will agree that when girls wake up wrapped in a blanket with that lost look in their eyes, they appear especially cute. This is true not only at the beginning of a relationship or fling, but also throughout it. Number 15. Cuddling. Guys will often claim that they dislike cuddling. When a guy is crazy in love with a girl, though, he will want to cuddle with her even more. There's nothing like wrapping the girl he loves in his arms to keep her safe and secure. It makes him feel good when she wraps her arms around his neck, when she sleeps over his lap while watching a movie, or uses his full body as a source of warmth in bed. Number 16. When she gets sweaty. I know I'm going to get some comments down below about this point. Some of you are not going to agree with this, but for guys, there is something that is extremely attractive about a girl when she gets sweaty. You're probably thinking, "No, I'm a mess or gross, don't look at me," and trust me, at the same time that guy doesn't want to do anything more than check you out. That has something to do with the fact that when a girl is sweaty and she looks like she's been putting a lot of work in, it just reminds them of other things that a girl could get sweaty doing with them specifically. And not only that, it's also one of those things where it's like if you were working out and you're trying to take care of yourself, it shows that you didn't do a lazy workout, but instead you put all you got into that workout. Number 17. When she's flexible and healthy. For example, girls who are very passionate about yoga, being flexible, or being healthy in general. Now you're probably thinking, okay, obviously guys are going to like that. But there's actually a couple of different layers to it. Number 1, it's sexy because when someone is flexible, it actually means that they are able to dedicate themselves to doing something that is good for their health. And they don't just do it for a day. They've actually done it for a long period of time. Number 18. When she gets embarrassed about something small. In a research study, many guys were asked, and every single one of them agreed on this point. For some reason, when a girl gets embarrassed about something small, guys find it really cute. Mainly because anytime someone gets embarrassed, they're thinking everyone else is judging them. The truth is, 90% of the time, they're not judging you. They're just imagining how they would feel if they were in your shoes, and they actually have sympathy and empathy for you. When guys see a girl and she gets a little embarrassed over something that's not really that big of a deal, they actually don't judge her, but instead, most of them want to help her. They find it cute because she is revealing her innocent and sensitive side, and guys absolutely love it. Number 19. When she is playful and enjoying his company, smiling or having your face light up when he walks into the room. All those ways that make him feel wanted and happy that you enjoy him being there. Joking with him or being adventurous is very cute and attractive. If you have made it this far, do you agree with this list? Is there anything you believe we might have missed? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.